Today I'm going to teach you how to make this snack with potato dough that turns out simply perfect. Super crispy on the outside and well filled. It's quick and easy. Your family will love this recipe. Let's start by peeling 4 large potatoes like this. After finishing this step, cut the potatoes into small pieces. And if you like easy recipes like this one, go ahead and click the like button and comment below. I love easy recipes. Next, transfer the potatoes to a pot. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. Next, cover with water. Then, cover and let cook for approximately 20 minutes. Now, add the cooked potatoes to a bowl, along with a spoonful of butter or margarine. Next, let's mash the potatoes until they become a puree. If you don't have this utensil that I'm using, you can use a fork. Next, add an egg. Then 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 150 grams of grated cheese. Also add 150 grams of ham cut into small pieces. Mix these ingredients very well. Tell me here in the comments which city or country you are watching this video from. I want to know how far it will reach. At this point, it is perfect. Take a piece of the dough and make the following movements. Open a cavity in the middle of the dough to fill it. Add a cube of cheese as filling, then close it, shaping it this way. If you want, you can also use another filling of your choice. And this is how our potato snacks will look. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Next, add a generous amount of olive oil to a pan. Wait for the oil to heat up. Then add the potato snacks we prepared, like this. As soon as it fries on one side, flip it to fry on the other side as well. And if you are looking for a quick, easy, and delicious recipe to impress everyone, you just found it. Save it so you don't lose it. And after frying on both sides, just take it out and place it on a plate with paper towels. Every time I make this recipe at home, it's a success. The whole family loves it. When you make it at your place, I'm sure it will be no different. Our potato snack is ready, folks. And look at how amazing this result is. Simply wonderful. Make it at home, and I'm sure everyone will love it and you won't regret it. If you've stayed until here, don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 for this recipe in the comments. In your opinion, what rating does this stuffed potato snack deserve? Now I'll leave it here, a big hug, and see you in the next video.